Hello viewers, welcome to WealthVerse. We give analysis on shares. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you do not miss our future videos. And we are proud to announce that our channel has completed 1 year. Happy Navratri to all our viewers. And in our Navratri 2020 video, we had shared 9 shares. In this sheet, you can see the profit percentage of all 9 shares. And as you can see, almost all shares have doubled in comparison to their cost at the time of recommendations. So in this video, we are also recommending 9 shares on the occasion of Navratri. So you can still consider the last shares which we recommended in the last video also. I will put the link of the last video in the I button and the description box. You can check that out. Now let's start the analysis of shares. First one is Akshar Chemicals. It closed on Friday at 432.60. Akshar Chemicals are the leading wholesale trader and exporter of a wide range of SLES liquid, caustic soda, flakes, sodium sulfate and fat powder. It has a market cap of 35,503 crore and company is almost debt free, and above 384 it is bullish and it may rise to 453 and 495, and you can keep the stop loss of 384. Second one is Parag Milk. It was founded in 1992. It is an Indian company that manufactures, markets and sells milk and milk products. The company is India's second largest producer of cheese under its brand Go, and the country's largest producer of cow ghee under its brand Govardhan. And it closed on Friday at 126. Its current market capitalization stands at 1205.07 crore. Above 110, it is bullish and it may rise to 137, 146 and 165, and you can keep the stop loss of 110. Next one is Shree Pipes Limited. It closed on Friday at 208.45. It is one of the leading manufacturers of ductile iron pipes in India. The main clients are L&T, NCC and India Hume Pipes. It has a market cap of 973 crore. Above 190, it is bullish and it may rise to 217 and 229, and you can keep the stop loss of 190. Next one is Heritage Foods. It closed on Friday at 462.30. It is one of the well-known leading milk and dairy products manufacturer. It is one of the largest private sector dairy enterprises in southern India, and its sales are increasing from last 2 quarters. Compounded profit growth for last 5 years is 22%. It has a market cap of 2,145 crore and company is almost debt free. It is bullish and it may rise to 489, 498 and 520. Next one is Emami Papers. It closed on Friday at 168.45. Emami Paper is a part of Emami Group which possesses diverse business interests in FMCG, edible oil, paper, writing instruments, healthcare. It was founded in 1981. It is the largest newsprint manufacturer in India. It has a market cap of 1021 crore Above 155, it is bullish and it may rise to 178, 189 and 205. You can keep the stop loss of 155. And the next one is Maharashtra Seamless. It closed on Friday at 322.40. Maharashtra Seamless Limited was incorporated in the year of 1988. It is engaged in steel pipes and tubes. Its current market capitalization stands at 2,147.67 crore. It is bullish and it may rise to 331, 339 and 348. Next one is Rane Madras Limited. It was founded in 1929. It is a part of the Rane group of companies involved in the manufacture and distribution of steering and suspension systems. The main components manufactured by the company included manual steering gear products and suspension and steering linkage products. It is likely to be benefited from government's new policy of 4 seats security system, that is airbag to all the 4 seats. It closed on Friday at 387.80. Above 340, it is bullish and it may rise to 409, 425 and 458. You can consider the stop loss of 340. Next one is KKCL. It is one of the India's largest branded apparel manufacturers, engaged in the designing, manufacturing and marketing of branded jeans and a wide range of western wear since 1992. It closed on Friday at 916.450. Above 890, it is bullish and it may rise to 952, 989 and 1050, and you can consider a stop loss of 890. And the last one is DP Wires. It engaged in manufacturing and supply of steel wires and plastic films, which finds its application in industries like oil and gas, power, environment, civil, energy, automobile, infrastructure, etc. It closed on Friday at 231 and it is almost a debt-free company. Above 205, it is bullish and it may rise to 250 and 273, and you can consider a stop loss of 205. Please maintain a strict stop loss as market is on its peak. Hope you liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care, bye and happy Navratri to all our viewers.